There's nothing more annoying than grabbing your Firestick remote, pressing the home button, and seeing absolutely nothing happen. When your remote won't pair or connect, it can seem like your device is completely unusable. But don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it's an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot the problem step by step and share a few backup options to control your Firestick so you're never stuck without access. Start by resetting the remote itself, because this clears Bluetooth glitches and pairing memory. Take the remote and remove the batteries completely. Leave them out for about 60 seconds so it can fully reset. After that, insert fresh AOAA alkaline batteries and close the cover. Point the remote directly at the Firestick and press and hold the home button to begin pairing. If nothing happens right away, release the button and try again. It's normal for this step to take more than one attempt. If that doesn't work, the next step is to reset the Firestick itself so both devices start fresh. Unplug the Firestick from its power source, not just the HDMI port, and wait around 30 to 60 seconds. This fully refreshes the system. Plug it back in and let it boot all the way to the home screen. Once it's loaded, try using the remote again. Doing this after resetting the remote often improves pairing success. When the Firestick restarts, you may see a message on the screen asking you to pair the remote. At this point, press and hold the home button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Watch the remote closely. A blinking blue light means it's actively pairing. Give it a moment, because the connection can take a little time before it completes. If the remote still won't connect, move on to a full remote reset using a button combination. First, unplug the Firestick from power. On the remote, press and hold the back button, the menu button with 3 lines, and the left directional button all at the same time for 12 to 15 seconds, then release them. Remove the batteries from the remote and wait a few minutes. Plug the Firestick back in and let it fully boot. Once it's ready, put the batteries back into the remote and press and hold the home button to pair it again. Slowing down and following this timing closely is important for this step to work. Now check distance and interference. Keep the remote within about 10 feet of the Firestick and remove any objects between them. Try to avoid nearby Bluetooth devices during pairing, as they can interfere with the signal. If you're using an HDMI extender, temporarily plug the Firestick directly into the TV and try pairing again, since extenders can weaken the connection. To pair a new or replacement Firestick remote, go to Settings using the app or a working remote and choose the option to add a new remote. When the Firestick begins searching, press and hold the home button on the new remote for about 10 seconds. If it doesn't connect immediately, repeat the process until it pairs successfully. If that doesn't work, you can control the Firestick using your TV's remote through HDMI CEC like Samsung AnyNet Plus. Switch to the Firestick input and use your TV remote to navigate. Voice features won't work, but it's a helpful temporary solution. That's it for this video on fixing a Firestick remote that won't pair or connect. By following these steps, you've covered all the safe and proven fixes. I hope this helped you get your remote working again without any hassle. If it helped, like the video, subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and share your results or questions in the comments.